Alright guys, ready to come out? Hi Pablita, you ready? You ready? Ready to come out? Alright, here we go. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Come on, jump. Get on there. Come on. Alright, come on Rango, let's go, Rango. Shoulders, let's go. There you go. Hi. Good morning. How'd you sleep? Did you sleep well? Well, come stretch a little bit. Get cleaned up. Finally feeling better. No more COVID. We're all fixed. Yay. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Pablita. Good morning. Let's hang out for a little bit. Then we'll go back out in a little while, but maybe we'll just spend an hour hanging out, playing a little bit, getting some freedom. Oh, where's your water? Oh, there it is. Wait, wanna go explore or what? Already? Where are you going? Wanna go up there? Yeah, it's gonna be like 100 degrees today. So we're keeping the house nice and dark. And tomorrow it's gonna be 104, which is not cool at all. Look at that. You know, athletic and stuff. Cute. Where are we going? I'm gonna uncover the water. There's your water. Hi. Hi, Pablita. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, you're gonna get the couch dirty now, but it's okay. Are you gonna put it back? Oh no, of course you're gonna drop it. Nice, perfect. Cockatiels are so messy. But it's still worth it. Hi. She's so cute. Being up here. Maybe he'll go for a walk. Let's see. Where's he going? You gonna go? You gonna go for a walk or you gonna stay up there? You gonna stay up there and just poop all over my shoulders? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Got you. Okay, that's good enough for right now. All right, come on. Step up here. Step up. Oh, I want you to step there for a second. Come on, you can do it. Okay, here. Well, thank you. I love you too, but I want to show people how you fly. Let's see. Maybe in the top of the fish tank? Get up, step up. Step up. Okay, you don't want to. Okay, how about we go get Rango then? Oh. Rango, ready? Step up, please. Step up, please. Thank you. Hi. Let's Pablita, did you want to go up there? You gonna follow her? Yeah, you are. Come, Pablita. Come on. Let's go. You coming? Let's go. Want to step up? Step up. You can do it. Come on. Show everyone how you fly. Come on. Come on. Step up. Come on. Let's go. You coming over? Come on. It's funny. Sometimes she does it right away, but when I got the video camera out, she will take forever. Wanna come? Come on. Come, Pablita, you coming? Okay, going far away. I'm going far away. Come on, Pablita, you coming? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, you're so close. Oh, he almost did it. That was so good. Come on. She tried to hover and land on top of my head and then just missed it. Oh, I got you. Come here. Come on, Rango, you ready? You don't need to fly up. We're good. We're good. I don't even know if I got that on video. Oh well. Welcome back, Rango. Hi. What are we gonna do today? He's like, oh, who's that? It's me. It's you. It's you. Look how pretty you are. That's you. You didn't know what to do, huh? Well, you know what? We'll hang out here for a couple more minutes and then let's go. Oh, we go make the bed. You guys want to help me do that? Yeah, so you don't get bored. Some activities. Think that would be fun? Yeah, I think so. Oops. I cut your head off. There we go. Here, I'm sorry about that. Get you back on the video. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Why is she so dark? See, because it's not really dark in here. Oh yeah, because I was pointing out the window and I was adjusting for that. Okay, say bye. It's a beautiful spring day out there. They were looking at the birds. They were looking at the scrub jays running around in the yard. And they were like, whoa, what's that? I think they found it entertaining. Hi, guys. You're snacking now? Hi. Where are you going? Hi. Well, Rango, move your tail. Thank you. Move your tail. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. What are you doing, Rango? You're... Pablita's like, get away from me. Her little pretty face. You're so cute. Okay, there we go. So I was looking at the calendar today. I realized that this week should be around the time where they turn 1 year old. So, Pablita, happy birthday. We're going to have to throw a party or something. What do you think? Can you really be a year old? My goodness. The time flies. Oh, you're so cute. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rango. So we should be right around either this month or next month, but pretty sure it should be this month that it's your birthday. Although she's a little bit older than you by a month, so maybe yours is next month and Pablita's is this month. But you guys are doing great, super healthy, super good. And Rango, you keep getting better and better every single day. Eventually you're gonna love pets too, just like Pablita does. See, Pablita was raised from a baby hand-fed, and Rango was not, which explains why she likes to be scratched so much and hugged and everything. And Rango's like, "What's that? Oh my God, it's a hand!" But then he'll come over and he like walk up the chest, and then just dig his whole face against, our faces, trying to pet himself with our faces. So we're working on it. It's really cute though. How, Rango? What do you think? Oh, happy birthday to you? Not yet. Get you a little birthday hat. Get a little birthday cake with birthday seed cake. I don't know. What kind of cake do you guys want? We'll figure it out. So for now, we just threw some towels on the couch. To make poop cleanup easier, because they're just a bunch of poopers. Oh. Hi, Rango. Hi, Pablita. Come here. Say hi. Like, I don't want to be on camera. Well, guess what? You can't. You have to be. Let me see your face. Hey, Pablita. What are you doing? Well, anyways, they're gonna hang out. I'm gonna play a little bit. Probably be out for about an hour. Then I gotta get some stuff done, and then once I'm done with this stuff, I'll bring you guys back out. Unfortunately, you can't help me outside. You can't help me in the backyard. Because we don't want you guys flying away. We're getting scared of them flying away. Oh. Alright, have fun.